Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel Living the Country Life with Thomas Collins. Today I'm going to show y'all how much rain we got. Hopefully Otter Creek don't flood. Let's get started. Check it out. We have got a lot of rain. Of course it's rainy season. It's all flooded in there. This is a little hunting camp road right here. It's like a breezeway. We have been getting a lot of rain. We were in like a dry spell there for a while. But we needed this rain, but we get a lot and it starts flooding. And I'm going to show you all the pond behind my house. I've showed it in previous videos. It was almost dry. I haven't been out to see it since we've been getting all this rain. Just ain't been out there. So we're going to take a look. Nice and peaceful back here. Hear all the Mother Nature and it's just peaceful. Hope everybody's having a great day. Once again, I appreciate all the nice comments, and I appreciate people sending me super thanks. Means a lot. There's an old hunting camp back there. It's probably about 5 or 6 of them back there, little hunting shacks. I want to shout out Miss Diane. Thank you very much. You know what you did, and I appreciate that. Here in the next video or two, I will show you what I got with that. That's going to be a nice video, nice thing there. Big old pine tree fell here. 2 of them actually. Another one's fixing to fall there. So, let's check the pond out. Big old pile of mulch there. That is the mulch that come from the tree for my house. The power company cut down. Another pine tree, I cut that one down many years ago. This is the pond, but you can't see it obviously. We gotta walk around to another spot where you can see. So let's see if we can't see anything right here. Well, it ain't coming up too much yet. But we're gonna check it out down here, and you'll be able to see. Stay tuned. We're back. Here's another spot. Y'all hear that bullfrog? Here's another spot right here we can see. It was dang near dry. Look at it, we're getting water. Usually it's all the way up to here. And I'll show you all as it gets full. Check it out. Look what I see. Y'all see it? I think that's a water moccasin. I'm gonna let it be. If it's still here in a little bit, I will kill it because they're poisonous. So, yeah. Everybody watch where y'all step because it is snake season. And I will get me some water boots or snake boots when I get the money. Them things ain't cheap. But otherwise I do have some high top tennis shoes I'll wear and some pants. At least give me a little protection. But yeah, I spotted his butt. Yeah, if we keep getting rain, Otter Creek might just disappear. Because it's definitely swampy around here. All this water. This pond, the railroad track used to go by it, and I was told they used to get water out of it back in the day. It goes from way down there to over there by that fence. Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you all a little more. Check this out. Water puddling up in my yard. It does get swampy in my yard in the rainy season and hurricane season. I need to get some dirt brung in and fill these holes in. Because it sucks. And grass grows and you try to mow with my zero turn, getting stuck. It's not fun. This is in my yard. Pretty crazy, huh? That's probably at least over ankle deep, close to knee deep. Easy. Yep, that's just a couple little spots. It's a beautiful pine tree right there. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, please. It's free. Leave a nice comment. Leave some suggestions if you have any. Check it out. All this water. I appreciate everybody watching. See you on the next one.